Happy morning, dear students. Welcome back to your general knowledge class. How are you all? I hope you all are well and good. So, we will continue our general knowledge class. But before that, the things you will come to know in today's class. Fill in the blanks on bright ideas. Some MCQs based on health and disease. Fill in the blanks on matter and energy. And what does it measure? Mainly we will talk on lesson number 40, 41, 42 and 43. So as I will tell you the answers, you have to fill your book. Okay? So let us start with lesson number 40. Open your page number 55. There some of the fill in the blanks are there. First, pasteurization means heating milk and then cooling it immediately. तो मिल्क को गर्म करना और तुरंत उसको ठंड करना मतलब है pasteurization. Second, the first phonograph was made by the American inventor Thomas Edison. Third, the steam locomotive rocket was made by George Stephenson from England. Next, fourth one, Thomas Edison became known as the Wizard of Menlo Park after the place where he worked. Fifth, Alexander Graham Bell made the first telephone. So who made the telephone first? Yes, Alexander Graham Bell. Next, sixth one, Orville Wright flew the Wright Flyer for the first time in December 1903. Next, seventh, Jagdish Chandra Bose was the first person to show that plants have life. And the last one, eighth one, Louis Pasteur found a way of keeping milk from spoiling. Have you completed, everyone? Okay. Now let's move to next page, page number 56 and lesson number 41, and we will talk on health and disease. First question, where will it hurt if you have swollen tonsils? The answer will be throat. Next, second, a cavity is a hole in a tooth. Next, third one, fever is a sign of illness. Fourth, Amjad has fever from a viral infection. The infection is due to a virus. Fifth, Vidya's leg is in a cast because the leg has a broken bone. Sixth one, influenza is a common disease. The short form of its name is flu. तो इन्फ्लुएंजा का शॉर्ट नेम क्या है? फ्लू होता है. नेक्स्ट, सेवेंथ वन, अ पेनफुल pus-filled lump around a hair on the skin is called a boil. Have you done, everyone? Okay. Next, question number 8, vaccination protects us from some diseases. Ninth, in India, the polio vaccine is usually given orally. Next, 10th one, we might get an infection if bitten by a female mosquito. Next, 11th one, a doctor may give you an injection if you cut yourself. This protects you from tetanus. 12th, most vaccines are given to children before the age of 5. Next question, we have some true or false. So in the place given, you have to write either the sentence is true or false. So first, rashes affect the skin. Yes, it is true. Next, all diseases are caused by germs. No, it is false. Third, an allergy can be caused by pollution, food, etc. Yes, it is true. Next, unclean water or food can cause tummy upset. Means हमें पेट दर्द हो सकता है अनक्लीन वाटर और अनक्लीन फूड खाने से. Yes, it is true. A patient's temperature can be measured at the ear. Yes, it is also true statement. Next, if we get the common cold only by breathing in its germs. No, it is false. Next, chickenpox is a disease in which pus-filled rashes are formed. Yes, it is true statement. Antibiotics are called antibacterials because they fight bacteria. Yes, it is also true statement. Have you completed, everyone? Shall we move? Yes, okay. Now let us move for lesson number 42. We will talk on matter and energy. Fill in the blanks. You have 3 options for each question. Which is the correct? You have to write it down in the blank space. Okay. So first, air is made of matter as it takes up space and you can weigh it. Next, second, gases do not have a fixed volume. Next, third one, a vapor of a thing is its gaseous form. Next, fourth one, when a gas condenses, it becomes a liquid. Next, fifth one, matter in its liquid form is the hardest to compress. Yes. Next, sixth one, electricity and heat are forms of energy. Next, seventh one, the energy we need to work and play comes from food. Next, eighth one, a solar cooker uses the energy from the sun. Next, ninth one, batteries gives us electrical energy. And the last, 10th one, the energy in the food we eat comes from the sun. Have you completed? Okay. Now in the second question we have tick the true statements. Means which are true, those you have to tick, and which are false, no need to tick or cross anything. So first, only fuels like petrol and diesel can be used to run cars. No, it is false. So that is why I did not put anything. Next, second one, when something condenses, it changes from a gas to a liquid. Yes, it is true statement. Next, third one, solar cells change the energy of the sun to electricity. Yes, it is also true. Next, fourth one, cooking gas means LPG cylinders have the fuel in the liquid form. Yes, cylinder के अंदर liquid में रहता है. And the last one, fifth one, you need energy to heat water but not to cool it in a fridge. No, it is false statement. Have you completed, everyone? Now the next lesson number 43. What does it measure? Here you will find some of the pictures of some objects. What you have to do? The options are given below. Help box are given below. From there you have to choose the correct answer. Which object is used for what? Okay, so first one you see, that is measuring tape we use for length. Then the next one, that is we need to measure the speed. Then next, that is thermometer, that we measure our body temperature. Next, fourth one, those we use to measure the volume of spices, oils, etc. Then the next, fifth one, that device we use to measure the room temperature. Then the next, that device we use to weigh something. Then next, the fuel meter, fuel in a vehicle's tank. कितने फ्यूल है वो मेजर करने के लिए हम फ्यूल मीटर यूज करते हैं. Then the next, that device we use to measure blood sugar level. And the last one, that meter we use to measure the distance traveled. Thank you so much all the students. Take care of yourself and be safe. Your homework is you have to complete the book as I told you the answers. Okay? Bye bye.